Hey guys, this is a three-piece kit for spider riders that utilize the Midland CB. As you know, the Midland comes with a cigarette lighter type power cord, and our kit gives you a bracket for your Midland CB that then attaches to this adjustment arm so that you can see all of your gauges. And the third component of the kit is this 12-volt socket that comes mounted on a stainless steel bracket. Here's a close-up look at that socket. We utilize a rubber cap that totally protects the socket itself. On the back end, we protect the wires going in so that water or dust cannot enter. Hey, listen, we only build to the highest quality standards. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can bring you more video updates on your Can Am Spyders. And also, if you're interested in this product, please check the description below for a direct link to our webpage.